Apple Lights and Sound, Master Task, CMC Electronics Trading in Cebu City, QMC Mini Sound, ABS Pro Audio, The Independence Mini Sound, RNJ Power Mini Sound, Ultimate Disco Mobile, Mr. Vicmar De La Cruz of Earth Shaker, Mr. Jomari Caballesa of CMC Electronics Trading, Mr. Albert Santiago of ABS Pro Audio, Mr. Jade Johnson of QMC Mini Sound, Mr. Peter Rigala Pustan of the Mariners Audio Classic, Mr. Javier Florentino, Mr. Rex Amar of RNJ Power Mini Sound, Ms. AJ Teruel, Mr. Christian Agravante Florentino, Mr. J. Onyos and Madam Ivy Onyos of Algidens Mini Sound, Mr. Edgardo De La Torre of the Independence Mini Sound, Mr. Roger Juarez of ERJ Mini Sound, Roncal Perley of Mia Mini Sound, Romel Riders, Mr. Robert D. Panes, the original processors distributor in Metro Manila of P-Boy Mini Sound, Charchel Sinibalo, R.A. Mini Sound, Pau Pau J.F. Lignig, Mr. Franz Natividad, Mr. Joven Sevilla I, J.B. Big Shop, Mr. Joel Noses Hosiniani, Mr. Heron Joy Stokia, and Nicolas Stokia of Keeper Lights and Sounds, The Twins Audio Classic, Clark Grigorev, Mr. Randy Belches, Madyok Napasaway of Madyok Mini Sound, Denmark De La Peña Lotero, Sikapit Lang, Mr. J.P. Gibara, Laris Bukobay, JBS Electronic Center, Bacolod City, Mr. John Paul Gibara, Mr. Donton Pacto, Mr. Ryan Pacto, and major sponsors, Team Turbo Family, Earth Shaker Powered Amplifier, Apple Lights and Sounds, DNS Soundworks, UMC Mini Sound, ABS Pro Audio, RNJ Power Mini Sound, The Independence Mini Sound, CMC Electronics Trading, Master Task, Team Turbo Family, Ultimate Disco Mobile, Morning Star Audio Classic, Pitik, Niskayplex, Raydan Dancio Di Cuba, and DJ Ram Masangya. The first Omusay Fuerza Zambosia 2023. First Omusay Fuerza Zambosia 2023. Team Turbo. The first Omusay Fuerza Zambosia 2023 is brought to you by Florentino's Hardware, Kagawad Cedric Aruza, Myro Mini Sound, Kagawad Lipid, AJP Type Arts, SK President Jam Florentino, Lito Sergio, SB Jenny Jimenez, Kapitan Bebeng de Guzman, SB Member Roel Villarosa, Tricia Kapihan, Barangay Captain Aluna Gomez, Dana Boko Cocktail, Michelle Parulan, Double J Mini Sound, CTA Mini Sound, Irene Mini Sound, SB Member J.R. Gravino, Kagawad Paul Ayan Carva, Kagawad Lanji Sumadya, Mr. Edgar Alteros, Attorney Colin Dirk Isidto, Kagawad Remy Florentino, Barangay Captain Newton Tormo, Brazos Downhill Resort, Rachel Florentino, Boss Carl Aki, Bryans, LCE Printing Services, Kagawad Edgar Torreses, Ivor Mini Sound, RTS Mini Sound, Bacan Glen, Mr. Wenbert Latrido Samagaysay, Mr. Adrian Steven, Mr. Ryan Balcuba, Chief Engineer Niel Pulido, Mr. Mike Babiera, Mr. Ramos Marites, Ms. Amara Rivera, Mr. Bong Sulas, Apian Mike TV, Cebu Opas TV, Uncle Nobs TV, Joy Masoy TV, MJ TV, Ardon Mariet TV, DNS Page, Ace Disco Mobile TV, Ragatak TV, OTEP Electronic Center, the first Omusay Fuerza Zambosia 2023. Team Turbo.
Alright, thank you so much. That's Morning Star Auto Classic. And of course, before coming drum dragging, ang mga tao daw, nagkasalaka, palihog ang bay, panahog. Sila sa may truck na daw sa kilid, palihog. Palihog lang, palihog. Panahog, panahog. PD ka, ayaw din sa may gate, oh. Ayaw mo na. Panahog ka, panahog. Check. Check. Okay, proceed.
Okay, so we would also like to thank our drum dragging sponsors, care of Mr. Elwin Lanchones from Bangkasan Land, Cebu. Ayan. Thank you so much, sir. Again, Sir Elwin Lanchones.
Nilada ka sa repeat.
Sir Elwin Lanchones. Ayan, from Bangkasan Land, Cebu. Hindi sila subong. Ay, nandito sila kasama natin. Ayan. Thank you so much, sir. Kaupod ang ilang bilog na family. Ayan. Kasi Sir John Marie Gimeliesa. Habeliesa. John Marie Habeliesa. Ayan. Thank you, sirs.
And of course, no? And of course, happy viewing no? From Pontevedra, Negros Occidental, Jabs Lights and Sound, JP Microsound, Newborn Video Sound. And of course, before kita mag-proceed, no? Palihog lang ba hawan sa front ni V-Force. Palihog lang. Mumpisa tayo kay V-Force, baka ito kay Yanis. Okay? Palihog lang. Hawan, hawan. Para sa drum dragging. V-Force, Cisco Mobile. Palihog lang, palihog. Palihog, hawan, palihog lang. Diri sa stage. Palihog lang. Grabe, no? Signal lang, pre. Lester Paul. Way pa. Hasta ni 7 p.m. Ngopasay, ubusay bersa sa Bursa. Okay na? Signal lang, sabay. Kanya-kanya ka sunod, ha? Diskarte, bahala ka mo da. 1 minute. Signal lang, signal. Sabay, V-Force Sound System from Escalante City. Owned by Mr. Rowan Valiente. Standby. Tapos ni V-Force, standby, GB. Signal lang, pre, signal.
Okay, lebih sinyal besar.
Okay na? Okay. Once again, V4 Sound System for Drum Dragging. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much. T-Force Sound System of Escalante City, owned by Mr. Juan Valiente. And of course, stand by GB Sound System by Mr. Vince Guerrero. Ano na?
Sunod yung taliyo.
GB Sound System, owned by Mr. Vince Guerrero and managed by DJ Feliciano Guerrero. Baliw lang ahawan para taasig kita. Magandang balikan. Of course, Ma'am, may cash kuno ang premyo sa drum dragging. GB Venezuela from Barangay 5, San Carlos City. Signal lang, pre. Signal lang. Okay. GB Venezuela. And of course, tapos ni GB, stand by man, si Three Brothers and ERJ Venezuela by Team Stroker. Signal lang, pre. Signal lang. Wala pa. Preparara ka na, ERJ. Stand by ka. Hawanin nyo pala para dasit na. Okay na? Noy? Okay, okay na? Ready! GB Sound System! Ready! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Okay, thank you so much, GB Sound System. Okay, proceed na kay ERJ by Mr. Roger Juarez of Laguna. And of course, Three Brothers, with sound by Mr. Canete Brothers of Barangay Mailon, Baguio City. ERJ and Three Brothers for drum tracking. And of course, no, sa gusto mapabubra sa trusses and solar panels, katalang guys, Sir Jojo Ipakol, para sa may JNE trusses and solar panels. Ay, para sa kanila sa stage, Sir Jojo.
Gusto kamay niya.
No, Three Brothers and RJ Mini Sound. And of course, no, sa gusto magpapakasing heart rate, 500 kag grame. 320 gig, are. Gusto mong bakal? For all occasion, tanan nga music, are din. Katayin na stage, ha? Katalan din, are din. Hard drive. Hard drive? Hard drive, sir? Mani, ito pugo. Gusto mo? Sige na, pre, ha? Three Brothers and ERJ Mini Sound. Sige, jump ko no? Sound check na rin. Samtang prepara. Okay na? O sige, sige. Okay na ka na. Three Brothers and ERJ with the sound of Lambunaw, Iloilo of Team Stroker. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much, ERJ and Three Brothers with the sound.
Lahat, zero.
Okay, stand by.
Ano, basa yan, ano?
AMP with the sound.
Takot, takot. Takot.
Tubok na.
Palihog lang, ha? AMP with the sound. Stand by. Palihog lang ang hawan. Hawan niya sa may
Plywood na.
tubang ni
O, hawak plywood ba?
AMP with the sound.
Wala, yan duwa gising pati ano yan oh. Atras si kamay.
And of course, pala tayo na Morning Star Audio Classic.